times like this that you wish you had an extended microphone. Next to us are the people on the official Neighbours tour. On the side it has a picture of Dr. Carl making a funny face wearing a white cape saying, "It's what the doctor ordered." Why did I take the low budget version? Jules, give me the explanation that they have going on right now.
This is the unofficial Neighbours tours. We mostly just try to hear what they're saying. It's not working.
Yeah.
But this is Erinsborough High, where they filmed all the school stuff.
Yeah. And on the weekends it's Blackburn English Language School.
For Vietnamese kids.
Bye. Yeah, so basically...
Mine is better. This tour is better. You don't want to be on that bus.
Well, give me more insights to Neighbours.
That was where Susan got in trouble for molesting one of the kids at the school.
For some reason I don't remember that as being one of the...
That was one of the plots they didn't go with. They instead went with school swimming carnival. So, different.
Maybe she did the crime at the school swimming carnival and then all they really had to do was alter the plot slightly, a little bit different, rather than, there being a change room scene. There was just a swimming...
Just the swimming.
So...